What's up YouTube? It's me, your boy Dragon Masters 525, aka Keon, coming at you with another video. Today guys, we are going to be opening up another set of sports cards. Today we're going to be opening up, let me see, we got four packs of the Leaf Set Baseball 1992 edition series 2. It's kind of like pretty much what they look like, and we have about 4 of them that we're going to be opening up for the channel. So on our quest to get more into like cards, trading cards, and sports cards and all that stuff, I ended up getting a hold of these. So without further ado, let's just pretty much get on to with like the card opening. So boom, here are what the packs look like. They're the Leaf Set Baseball 1992 edition series 2, which is actually like pretty cool. Looks like in the back, the Leaf Gold edition. So kind of check it out. What does it really say in this back? It says new for 92 exclamation mark. A 528 card version of the 1992 Leaf Set featuring gold foil and gold metallic ink instead of the traditional silver. Look for 1 Leaf Gold edition card in every pack. So there's a 1 gold a leaf. What is it? What do they say? 1 gold leaf edition card. Alright, sweet. So without further ado, let's just really jump into it. See kind of like what we got. Over there. So, these cards are like super sticky. Has like mold on it too. What? Well, check this out, because we got I got this from someone, so see what it looks like. So we got John Flattery C. You can see in the back, damn, that is some crazy mold. We're actually gonna check. Oh my gosh, we're just gonna skim through it because it seems like it's like a lot. This needs definitely some heavy cleanup. It's like mold on it. Yeah, they're all covered. Definitely, are they all like that? You can see inside the wrapper too. Damn. Are all of them like that? Okay, this one's normal. Alright, so this pack is good. This pack, I don't even know if it's worth keeping, but maybe cleaning off, but put those off for later. Ooh, so second pack, and it's crazy already. You can definitely see that there's nothing on it. That first pack kind of got me shook a little, seeing mold on the cards. Dave Magadan, Randy Johnson, LHP. I wonder if this is the gold edition card that they were talking about. This is Ozzie Smith, SS. I don't even know what the SS stands for. Danny Tartable. Sammy Saka. Steve Frey, LHP. Gary Carter. What is his name? Deion Sanders? Roger Mason, RHP. Mike Fetter. Fred McGrief. Ruben Sierra, RF. Hubie Brooks. These cards are stuck. Damn. There it is. Okay. Mitch Williams. Rafael Palmeiro. So yeah, looking at the previous pack before, I'm actually just gonna throw these cards away, because even though they have like mold, they don't look like they're really in good conditions. I'm not gonna lie. Everything looks so damaged. So yeah, we're gonna chuck these away. We're not gonna keep them. We're gonna keep on going. Let's hope that these other cards aren't like the first pack. Like I said, I was given these, and so I have no idea what state they're in. It seems like the first pack was just like a bad pack, 'cause everything is looking nice now. Ricky Bones. Got Terry Leach. Oh look, it looks like it's autographed or something. Or no, it just says Leaf. That's actually pretty cool. There's a card insignia. It's like the pack. Sammy Saka. Show this too. Ooh. Chris Nabholes. Mike Boddicker. Barry Bonds. Yeah, that's still wild. Just the mold on the first pack is just crazy to me. Omar Oliveras. I mean, it's a bummer, but it's whatever. It's two cards, two guys stuck to each other. Omar Oliveras. Got Thomas Howard. George Bell. And then this must be the Leaf. Yeah, the checklist. It's pretty cool. Got Real Cormier. Darren Dalton. Eddie Murray. You guys are like stuck to each other. Oh my gosh. There it is. Rich Rodriguez. Then got Ellie Burks. That's pretty cool. So we are slowly going through these. Like, this is what we got. That is the bad pack. We don't touch that. Even though we just touched the hell, I gotta wash my hands and stuff after this. But this is the last pack, so let's hope it's not like the bad pack. This one opened by pretty easy. What? Alright. Gotta make sure, make sure they're all stuck together. So we got Bob Walk. He's taking a walk. Got Dave Streb. Wes Chamberlain. Keith Miller. Ozzie Smith. Danny Tartable. Lou Whittaker. Kevin Ritz. Danny Jackson. Brett Saberhagen. This looks pretty cool. Gary Desarcina. This looks like super full art. Like, this is crazy looking. Series 2 Gold Leaf rookies. Alright, so it's a Gold Leaf rookie. That's cool. Put it off to the side. Spike Owens. Paul Gibson. Got Les Lancaster. And we got a Craig Lefferts. Alright, so it's not that bad. 3 out of 4 packs. And pulled out a rookie. Unfortunately, got that bad pack filled with mold, dude. Like, look at that. It's destroyed. Dude, I don't know if you could tell, dude. It looks a lot worse in real life, but it's destroyed, dude. And it's just like a fat stack as well, so it's like going through the cardboard. Like, I don't know if you can see. But yeah. And boom, there it is, guys. This is the Gold Leaf 1992 Series 2 baseball card opening. If you guys made it this far into this video, make sure to hit that like button. If not, hit that dislike button, and let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. I thought it was pretty cool opening up these packs. I'm so bummed out that our our first or second pack was eaten by mold, dude. It's a what? But like I said, like I got it from someone else, and they passed it down to me, and they haven't opened it, so it makes sense that something like that could happen. But yeah, other than that, we pulled out some pretty cool stuff, just like the Gold Leaf rookie. What is this for Gary? Gary's still so sick. And we made out with like big fat cards, even though they're like curved, so they've been stuck in the pack for like probably who knows how long. But yeah. But anyways, guys, let me know if you guys want more sports card opening on the channels. I'll do more of those if you guys want. If not, definitely leave a like. If not, like I said before, leave a dislike. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Make sure to hit the bell icon so you guys don't miss another upload when I upload, and make sure to hit the subscribe button when I because we're on the road to like 4,000 subs. Right now we're currently at 3,327. I can't really remember, but yeah, we're slowly growing. Woo. But anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is me, your boy Dragon Masters 525, aka Keon, signing out, dude. Woo.